1.
With your file open, texture paint, shading mode on, material, new, surface, emission, call it something, render tab, color management, Chronos. In object mode, assign shader to all meshes. Texture paint, texture slot, base color, call it something. Change size, alpha, or color if you wanna. Add. In material tab, color, image, texture, select your newly created image.
2.
Adjust radius or strength, paint or fill in the mesh. Make sure you bleed the color outside for safety. Object mode. Select new mesh, grab a color and repeat till done.
Or bonus.
Select all meshes, edit mode. In image editor, paint mode, paint directly on the sheet. Image, save.
3.
With all the meshes selected, UV editor. Select all, UV, export UV. Open in an editor. Open saved image too. On a new layer, paint away. Save. Back in Blender, open image or new image. In material, select your new image. Done! I'm still impressed you lot have managed to make me learn this program. Alright, on to the next one.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.